Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I want to start off by saying happy fall. Well, it's not actually fall quite yet, but I'm just practicing. Today I've teamed up with ARABELLA hair and they sent over this highlight blonde wig with a nice dark root. I went ahead and did a quick and easy beginner friendly install on this beautiful 12-inch bob. And of course, you guys already know I added my own little twist, including some baby hair, which is for sure optional. So if you want to see how we got this look, let's get started. Okay guys, I just realized all of my kids are at school and this is like the second day I've been able to film content for you guys with no kids in the house. Now I say that and they also have to be picked up in about 20 minutes. Well, my little in 20 minutes, my big's in 30 minutes. So I have about 15 minutes to put this on and get in the car, and then it'll be chaos in my house. So today I've teamed up with ARABELLA hair. They sent this beautiful bob to me, and as you guys can see, she's a beautiful highlight. Now I do like the fact that they go a little bit warmer and have a nice dark root. This is going to help me to bring it together, especially when you're not wearing makeup. And sometimes a dark root helps it to look a little bit more classy and put together, especially for brown skin. Nonetheless, this is giving nice long bob. It's kind of giving soccer mom fun, but the highlight kind of, you know, it's like the party element. This is the hairline. As you guys can see, we're going pre everything. So in the front, you do have that really nice pre-plucked hairline. And then when I remove this white styrofoam background, you guys can see even better how nicely the hairline is pre-plucked. And then we also have that the lace is pre-cut. And then of course the knots are pre-bleached. So this is really a put on and go easy install wig, which I am happy about because I'll be able to get this done really quickly. Here's a quick look at the inside construction of the cap. You guys can see we have this adjustable elastic band, and the icing on the cake is this is actually removable should you be someone who just does not like elastic bands. And I kind of adjust mine kind of to the center. I kind of will do a little less or a little bit more depending on how big the band is. And then you guys can see the cap is really nice, not too much going on here, but you do have your comb in the back and you have like this grip technology here. So let's go ahead and put her on because again, I got to be out of here in like 15 minutes. Okay, I keep forgetting to bring a brush in here, but this is what she looks like on. I like to have my collar popped a little bit with these types of sweaters, like the scuba sweaters, but let's put it down so you guys can see the look. Now, as far as the hairline goes, of course, we're gonna warm up the lace, but you guys can see that this one has a nice snug fit. So she for sure fits glueless. Once we melt her down that first time and get the color right and just get the lace nice and melted, you'll for sure be able to put this one on day to day and she'll give a glueless look. You can also do a side part with this one. I didn't really part that too clean, but you guys get the picture. You can definitely do a side part. The hair's so bouncy that it's definitely gonna move around. There is, since this is a closure wig, this is where the lace ends and this is where the lace ends, and then I'll take and line up the parting with my nose because I feel like my face is a little bit off center. Nonetheless, we want it to be a centered part. Okay, so obviously this is what it looks like set as a center part. Since we're going bob, I'm gonna go with the Style Factor. I was gonna say edge control. This is a wax stick, and I like this one because I feel like this one comes in handy with bobs or lower density units where the hair might get a little bit more oily quicker, especially because this is blonde hair. So I like to use this one again with my blonde and color hair that may get oily and streaky quick, and also my shorter hair so that we don't get stiff bob. Okay, I applied that generously, and one hack that I will say is that if you put on a little bit of wax, it makes it easier to get the perfect parting. So I'll go back through and clean up my parting. And now it's perfect to me. So since we have a darker root, I kind of want to open it up a little bit and do a little bit of baby hair. So I'm just gonna take some pieces and just add a little product, and I'm gonna turn on the pencil flat iron. I actually don't have any edge control right here. We had recital week last week with the girls, so like all of my products are all over the place and in their bathroom. A little bit more wax, and with this part we can go with the OG, the carrot care that actually gets to it. And I'm gonna take and curl. let's go ahead and style them up. You see how easily that works? I just kind of formed them a little bit, but before we actually go in, I'm going to take a little hairspray and do my waterfall swoop first. Next, I'm going to pull the hair back and we're going to melt the lace. Now for this step, I'm going to take the melt belt that they provided. Ooh, it's burgundy. I don't remember theirs being burgundy. I like this a lot. It matches their packaging perfectly. So I'm going to take and have this prepared. Pull the hair back. Spray a generous amount down. And then we're gonna kind of form the baby hair because again, I don't have any edge control right now. So I'm gonna use what we have for now. Which is hairspray and wax. And we're gonna see if we can get a good outcome. And to help that lay and melt, I'm gonna just put the melt belt on top. And we can let that set while we press out the parting, and then we will bump the ends. You want to get Dominic or you want to get the bigs? Oh, okay, so I'm gonna leave one. All right. My kids and I will be right back. Okay, we're back. I'm gonna quickly go ahead and tint the lace and then we're gonna bump the ends and then we are done. I'm gonna go in with cream first, and so this is from Ruby Kisses and it is the 3D powder, the shade 15. This is my contour shade, so let's go ahead and pack this in and then set it with powder.
So when we were leaving school for dismissal in mine, I made a friend finally.
Isn't she so gorgeous? Now we are done with this look. We've had a lot go on since the last clips, but we moved. So this is the look of the hair. She's absolutely gorgeous. Before we get into it, I did want to share the packaging. I kind of have it mangled a little bit, but this is the box from Arabella Hair. Inside, of course, you get this beautiful dust bag, which works so amazing to keep as a home for your wig, and all of the free goodies should you want to keep them. And inside of that was this little bag here, and this kind of just keeps it protected through shipping and handling. This is a 12-inch bob, which I kind of know from that code. And then inside they did give us this little mesh bag, really cute. And inside we do get a pack of HD wig caps. We also got a pack of mink lashes. We also got a baby hair brush in the color pink, and then we got this leaf, like this gold studded, is it studded? Yeah, like gold studded leaf clip, which is really nice. I think these are really nice when you do like a high bun and you kind of just slip this into the side. It's really, really nice. But as far as the wig goes, this definitely was a quick and easy install. As promised, I always feel like if you're gonna get a wear and go wig, it's a great sign that even if you are a beginner, you don't have to worry about cutting the lace, you don't have to worry about plucking. I feel like you can essentially just focus on like making the install, the hairline look exactly how you want it, baby hair, and then the ends. So for me, it ended up being a 10-minute install. I love the way the hair looks. I love the pop of color in the highlights. It's definitely giving a vibe. We will be in fall before you know it, and this will be cute with like a little sweater and boot situation. I'm definitely feeling it. So I'll have all the details as well as a direct link down below. Of course, I am a dance mom, so we are headed to dance evaluations for ballet and modern. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check this one out. There's a direct link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.